Hello there, and welcome to the Nashoba Valley Technical High School Open House. I am the principal, Jeremy Slotnick, and on behalf of our entire staff, I'd like to say that we are so happy you have decided to join us today. By now, you've already signed in and can't wait to look around the school. However, if you give me just a couple of minutes, I will help you to determine how to make the best use of your time here with us today. To start, if you would like to explore Nashoba Tech on your own, all 20 of our technical programs are open for you to visit at any point. They are fully staffed by our fabulous teachers, and many have student volunteers to give demonstrations and answer your questions as well. This is a great option if you have an interest in several unique areas or wish to extend your stay in a particular program. Looking at the map, as you can see, the programs are arranged in a circle with 2 branches. In addition, if you would prefer a guide to help you view our programs, you may head to the gymnasium or our cafeteria for tours based upon a related cluster of technical areas or individual programs in which you have an interest. This is geared towards students who aren't sure which technical program they wish to explore, since it allows you to see many programs during your visit. The gymnasium is also where you will find many of our extracurricular activities featured. If you have friends or family who couldn't join us today, please let them know that we will schedule tours throughout the year. You may also head to the Performing Arts Center at 12:15 to hear a detailed presentation regarding our admissions process. Afterwards, at 1 o'clock, a panel of recent graduates and current students will share their perspectives on attending Nashoba Tech and how it helped them to achieve their goals after graduation. It provides a real sense of the many benefits technical education has to offer. Our admissions presentation will take place again at 2:15 for those who may have missed it the first time. Our athletic director and student volunteers are available in the fitness center for questions about our athletic programs and extracurricular activities. All of our sports and clubs have no fees, and we have a no-cut policy. We just want to be sure students have every opportunity to get involved. If you are interested in the arts elective options that our students enjoy, Ms. Lamore's student chorus is performing in the music room, and Ms. Monaco has many art projects on display in the art room. Please stop by to witness the many talents our students possess. For assistance finding your way around, we have staff members and student volunteers stationed throughout the building, eagerly awaiting the opportunity to assist you. Once you've seen what we have to offer here at Nashoba Tech, you'll want to visit the library. That's where you can find a computer to fill out an application on the spot. You can explore the school electronically by downloading our mobile app. Here is a short video explaining how to do so.
Introducing the brand new app for Nashoba Valley Technical School District on Android and iPhone. It's everything Nashoba Valley Tech in your pocket. This is the home screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left or swipe right to see all the menu items. To turn on push notifications, tap Settings and select Turn on Notifications. This app makes applying to Nashoba Tech even easier. Under Menu, click Apply Here to complete the online application for high school students. The Events section shows a list of all events throughout the district. You can use this button to add an event to your calendar, or tap here to share the event with friends and family. Live Feed is where you'll find updates from administration about what's going on in the district right now, whether that's celebrating a student's success or reminding you about an upcoming deadline. Search Nashoba Valley Technical HS in the App Store or Play Store to explore the app for yourself. It's everything Nashoba Valley Tech in your pocket.
Please enjoy your visit, and I look forward to seeing you next fall. Thank you so much.